Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a complaint in DHL. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now in order to make a complaint, what you need to do is open up your web browser, and once you open up your web browser, on the search bar simply type in dhl.com, and once you hit enter, you'll be sent to the DHL homepage. And now if you are logged into your account, simply log into your account, right? And once you have logged into your account, here you'll see three options, that is track, sit with DHL Express and customer service, right? Simply click on customer service, and on clicking it, scroll down, and here you'll find DHL Express and DHL e-commerce solutions, right? Simply click on either of the options, and now once you're inside here, you are sent to help and support, right? Now choose the option that is preferable for you, right? Either you can email, chat with DHL, or simply call, right? Simply select the option, and once you select an option, the DHL agent will reach you, and once you file a complaint, they will probably give you solutions as well. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.